Hello, we are going to solve the problem of the day of LeetCode. In this problem, we have two vectors of integers, and we are asked to return basically between any pair, like in which one of the elements belongs to R1 and the other belongs to R2. Between any pair possible, we need to return the longest prefix of the numbers. And a prefix is like if we start from the leftmost number and continue, basically is the common part from the leftmost position. In this case, for these two numbers, we have the prefix 1, 6, 5 between those, but in this problem we need to maximize the length of the common prefix. This problem is actually quite simple. We only because in the constraints we have like these constraints, and that means that we can like iterate each part of the number, like each prefix of each number, and then store in a frequency table. Like let's say for A1, for each element we are going to create a frequency map, let's say, that will include like for each of these elements each possible prefix. Let's say that we have an element 1, 2, 3. That means in our frequency set we are going to add 1, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 for, let's say, supposing that this is the element. For each of the elements we are going to store each possible prefix, and then for A2 we only also need to obtain for each element each of the prefix, and after that we have the prefixes for R2. We only need to check if the same prefixes are present in our frequency set. If so, then we can check its length to basically check if we can increase the answer. I hope that the explanation of the idea was clear, and we're going to start with the implementation that will include some tricks to make this solution faster. Also, another detail that I omit is that we are going to convert each number to a string in order to be able to obtain the prefixes. Then we're going to start traversing each digit of num string and appending to the num prefix. Then for R2 we are going to do the same, but instead of adding to the frequency set, we are going to check now how can we increase the answer. Initially, if no common prefix exists, the answer is 0, but then we are going to check how can we increase this. Basically, also we know that the length of the common prefix. If we need to maximize the answer, we hope that the initial length of the common prefix is the answer plus 1, like is 1 higher the previous result. Otherwise it makes no sense to find more common prefixes of the same length, because we are not increasing the answer, we need to increase it. For that reason, I am starting it with this value. Let's put this as prefix length, and the prefix length could be until also the length of the number, like the common prefix equal to the exact number, and then prefix length plus 1. The wrong answer will be the max between the answer and the prefix length, but this needs to be increased only if the new prefix of the element of R2 is, well, we can find it inside our frequency set. String. Let's put this in a more clear way. Now we need to check if this new prefix exists under our frequency set generated with the prefixes of the elements of R1, sorry. Then we need to return the answer. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh, we have some errors. Let's see. Frag. Let's see. This is a problem with my library. We need to include another set. This is because I have a problem with my libraries, that the first include is not importing everything. Then we have a typo. Okay, then we have the answer 3. That is correct. Then then let's send it and see if this works. Yeah, then let's submit. Yeah, it is accepted. Let me know if you have any question in the comments. Thank you.